Bridget Mackay here. I'm an attorney in Petaluma, California, and I practice in wills and trusts and estate planning. And you're tuning into my video blog, which is I'm gonna talk a little bit about going broke paying for nursing home care. This has been a big issue as our population ages. We are living longer. There is a huge group of baby boomers who have parents in their 80s, 90s, who are addressing some of these issues, and I'm getting a lot of clients who have questions around how do we pay for mom's nursing home care or dad's. And the bottom line is this: nursing home care, skilled nursing, is anywhere between $8,000 and $10,000 a month to pay for. And this is not necessarily when you have an invalid parent, but maybe you have someone who is needing memory care, basically 24-hour care, and maybe even making sure they're keeping themselves safe. So it's very expensive, and an elder's savings can quickly be depleted paying for it, sometimes putting the surviving or the other spouse who's not needing that care in jeopardy, and sometimes putting all of the savings of a family in jeopardy. So what do you do about it? Well, there are two programs that can help families pay for nursing home care. They are heavily regulated, one being California Medi-Cal, the other being Veterans Benefits. I'll start with California Medi-Cal. Medi-Cal is different than Medicare. It covers nursing home care for the elderly and disabled if you qualify. And the qualification has to be a financial asset qualification, not necessarily income, but mostly asset qualification. Simply put, for a single person, you can only have $2,000 worth of assets. For a couple whose one or the other spouse needs nursing home care, you can have around $113,000 in assets. Don't despair. There are many ways in which to make someone's estate meet those requirements and qualify for Medi-Cal fairly easily. I cannot go into all of them now, but it is in some other previous blogs that I've done and touched on. My advice in that area is to consult someone who knows what they're talking about, whether that be an attorney, a Medi-Cal benefit planner. And the one red flag I would have is during those consultations, really make sure you know what you're doing with assets, particularly if people are asking you to invest in an annuity. So Medi-Cal is one, and it will reduce those $10,000 nursing home bills sometimes down to a couple $100, a very significant benefit. Veterans benefits are through the Veterans Administration, a nationwide program. You have to qualify as a veteran, though, the person or the spouse of the person who's receiving benefits. And these benefits won't pay necessarily for nursing home care, but they can give a family $2,000 to $4,000 a month to pay for care. The person doesn't have to be in nursing home care. It could be in-home care. It could be assisted living. And if the qualified person, the veteran, had spent one day in the military during wartime, they qualify. And that benefit within the Veterans Administration is called aid and attendance. So again, that's another resource so that your elders don't go broke paying for their care as they age.